What's up, guys? I've been getting a ton of questions from people wondering how I'm doing this option trading. So today we're going to be doing this live, and I'm going to show you on my phone what I'm going to purchase today. It is approximately 11:49 a.m. still, and this is usually when I do the trade from 11 to noon. I definitely would have done this trade a little bit earlier, but for the sake of this video, we're going to do it now. So we have our phone, and you can see it here. What we're going to do is we're going to hop onto Webull, and we are going to go to markets and then to the search option, and I have a couple screeners set up, as you can see. I have options plus and options negative is what I named them. That just means stocks that are going down and stocks that are going up. So I want to hop onto options plus right now, and I see some stocks. I have these set for a particular filter, and let's just go to modify filters so you can see what the filters are set to. I have United States, price point from 30 to 80, so each share is $30 to $80. And then I have a percent change of 5% all the way up to the max, which is 51.29% today. And I have a volume of 500,000 to the max 112 million. And I like to stick around that volume because I like to have a high volume, so I know that my option is going to sell and that I'm going to be able to purchase it right away. And for the negative options, I have the exact same filters, just negative parts of it, so you can see that there. But let's go on to options positive and see what stocks we're going to look at today. So let's go with BHF. We can either click on it here and look at it here, or what I like to do is go onto Robinhood and look at it that way. So let's go to BHF. As you can see, what I would usually do is I'm looking for either an uptrend or a downtrend. No matter what the stock starts out at, I don't really care about that. Sometimes stocks will skyrocket in the morning, and then they're just trying to get back to where they're supposed to be, so they'll slowly go on a downtrend, or they'll start negative and they will try to get back to where they're supposed to be and go on an uptrend. This one, you can see it doesn't really have a trend. Maybe if you want to go with that, then you can say that it's on an uptrend, but I'm looking to keep the option for the entire day or even a couple days. But usually when I do this option trading, I day trade it, so I'll buy it at around 11 to noon, and then I will sell it before the market closes and hope to make about $100 on it. Now, options are buying 100 shares, the right to buy 100 shares. You're not actually buying 100 shares of that stock, and it's the right to buy 100 shares of that stock, which means that when you buy an option, you are essentially getting 100 shares of that individual stock. So when the stock goes up 1 penny, your option is going up $1. And I have an option right here that I purchased earlier today, and it is up $53. So that means for me, it went up 53 cents. The individual stock went up 53 cents. So I probably bought it around here, and it has gone up 53 cents. So it's kind of staying pretty even right now, which I'm okay with. As you saw in yesterday's video, I had Microsoft option, which I held for 2 days, and I sold that for a loss today, but overall a $15 gain. But I've had a lot of fun restarting my account at $209. It's been a lot of fun to try to grow it. Right now you can see we're sitting at 315. We're negative on the day because of that option. Started at negative 88, and we have gained about $53. But so BHF I don't think is going to be a good choice for us. So let's go back and let's look at Dish Network. So that is a blue chip stock. Dish Network is on an uptrend. So if we were to buy it here, we would have made $81 because 81 cents the stock has gone up. I don't know if I really like this one. I think there might be a better one that we can look for. Although this is on an uptrend, we can say that in another 3 hours it might make us $100, but it does look like it's a little too volatile for me to put our money in. Let's go to trade options. If February 14th, which will be Friday, and we're going to buy a call option for today. It would cost us $105. We would buy this one because I always like buying the options that are already profitable. So if we were to buy 39.5, that means that the stock needs to get to 39.5 for us to actually start making a lot of profit. So I always buy the stock that's already, or the option that's already profitable. So this one is 103. That would be an alright choice, but I think that we can find a better one. Let's head back over to Webull. Let's check out CMP. So CMP, Compass Minerals, this is definitely a good one to buy. I think that this one could continue going up because it has been going on the uptrend all day. So let's go to trade. It does have 594 for today's volume. So let's go to call, and $65 call. That would look good, unless the other one is 67 and 67 and a half. So let's go with this. Let's click 1, and we're going to click review and swipe up to place it. Let's see if it gets fulfilled. It got fulfilled right away, and that's what I like to see. If it doesn't get fulfilled right away, I usually go here and then I click on history, and then I will cancel it just to make sure that I can get the best price for it. I don't want it to be waiting out. So as you can see, I am $2 negative on it already because I overpaid $2. Options are in increments of $5. So let's hope that this continues up. I'm definitely kind of scared of that huge jump that it made. Let's hope that it continues up and doesn't disappear and just reverse and go back down. I am a little scared of that, but I will keep my eye on it. And I probably won't leave that in this video because the day is not over until 3:30. So with after hours and everything. So I'm not going to put that in this video, but we purchased this option, and we're going to hope that it goes up at least $1, which will make us $100, and that's what I like to shoot for. So that's kind of what I did in this video. I showed you guys exactly how to do it, and I did it on my phone because I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to be using Robinhood mobile instead of on your desktop computer. It just makes it a lot easier for me to show you guys. But other than that, I will leave a link down in the description for Webull. If you deposit $100 in Webull, you can get 2 free stocks up to $1,400, guys. $1,400 just for depositing $100 so that you could trade with and learn. I will also leave a link down there where you can see if you want to join Robinhood or not, which I love to use Robinhood. I also have a TD Ameritrade account, but that's for my long-term holdings. With Robinhood, you can get 1 free stock just for signing up. You don't even have to deposit anything, and you can get 1 free stock. Those 2 links will be down in the description. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you invested in, how you're doing, everything like that. So the YouTube algorithm can help me out and bump up this video so more people can see it. And I thank you guys all for watching this video.